There are no good or bad foods to eat with diabetes. The most important thing is to get a balance from all the different food groups, and portion size really is key.
I think the main message is that you can have everything in moderation.
It's a common misconception with diabetes that you can't have any sugar at all. It's more about being aware of the total carbohydrates in the diet.
We prefer to use the term blood glucose. All carbohydrate foods are broken down into glucose, not just foods with sugar in. Having a lot of glucose in your blood can damage your body, so your kidneys, the back of your eyes, your nerve endings, your digestion, anywhere that blood travels. If you control your blood glucose levels, you can reduce the risk of the long-term complications of diabetes.
It's good to spread food across the day if we can, because this helps to regulate our blood glucose levels. So aiming for 3 meals a day is a good starting point. It's not necessary for people with diabetes to have snacks in between meals, but if you do feel hungry, try and go for a healthy option, such as fruit or diet yoghurt.
You need some carbohydrate into your diet. It's essential for your brain to function. You may have heard of the term glycemic index, and that's a rating of how fast carbohydrate foods are digested. So some foods have a low glycemic index and are digested more slowly, whereas other foods have a high glycemic index, which means they're digested more quickly. If people with type 2 diabetes swap some high glycemic index foods for some low glycemic index foods, it can help regulate their blood glucose levels. However, the most important thing is the amount of carbohydrate a person eats.